Hey guys, so what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful eye look using this palette from Scarlet. It's called the Berry Palette and it's got all of the most amazing colors that are hot this season. First thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you prep your eye using some concealer, which I've already done off camera. That'll make sure you get the best pigment from your palette. And then you're going to go in and pick up the pigment using a brush, and you are then going to just pack it right in the corner of your eye like that. We never ever leave our eyes unblended. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this lighter shade over here, and I'm gonna make sure that this lovely pink over here is blended all the way through. And just to elevate this look and take it really to the next level, I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush with the same pink, and I'm just gonna place this right under my eye, and it really creates that smokiness, and exciting, isn't it? And just to add a bit of dimension to this look, we're gonna go in with this beautiful shimmery pink over here. Just look at that pigment. Makeup should be exciting, guys. I'm gonna put some of this glitter right in the middle like I've done here. That does look really good though. It looks really good. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so that is the final look using the Berry Palette by Scarlet. If you want to see more of these looks, check out my Instagram, Yarms, and check out mrprice.com.